The easiest way to combine two video clips using AI transition. Now remember, you cannot upload video and ask it to be used as a transition phase. What you need to do is, if you have a video, you need to get the ending of it. So let's say for an example, I'm just gonna close it. I have okay, so let's say for an example, these two videos I want as a transition. I want to transition from this video to this video. What I need to do is go to the end of this video, find the ending image and take a screenshot. Once I take the screenshot of that, I need to go to the other video and go to the start of that video and take a screenshot. So now I have the ending of this video and starting of this video. So the transition is gonna happen between those two images. Now I can open Higgsfield, go to video. I can use whichever AI model I want, but I like to go for the option over here called Kling 3.0. But as I said, you can choose whichever option you like. Now in the start frame, I need to add the ending image of the video, the first video. Once I add that over here on the end frame, I need to add the starting frame of the second video, so which means the start of that video. Once I add both of this, I got the image. I need to transition from here to here. Now I can give it whatever prompt I want and click on generate, and it's going to generate me a video which starts from here, ends over here. Now what I can do is take both of this video and editing software and keep this in timeline, and then keep the other video which the AI just generated in the middle, and then this video. So in the middle of these two videos, I just need to add the transition which the AI created. So basically once the video ends, the AI transitions it from the ending of this video to the starting of this video and it starts playing. That's how it works. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.